I was lucky enough today to learn how to use R, literally the letter R for rabbit. So it seems to be a statistical software program, and so I just again wanted to record here so that in future if I need to use it I don't forget. So for people, dealing with large databases, it's good at getting histograms and mean mode median. I mean, that's what we did today, as well as linear regression. And so just in terms of installation, go here to rstudio.com and download the whatever version. I can't remember which one we did, but check for downloads, probably under products. When you run it, it then says to you actually need to install R itself. And so you go here to r-projects.org. It was a bit of a rigmarole to find where to go. You click here on download R. And if your internet is slow, you wait. And then for those of you who don't know what mirrors are, I'm not sure, I still do, Google it. But you scroll down to your country, and then in South Africa, here I chose University of Cape Town, and you download it from here. Once you've installed that, you can run RStudio. And so you can see here, when I start up RStudio, in the top here is, I don't know what the term is, but you can write your code here and save it so that you can come back to it later. Down here is the console where you run your different code, and then on the right hand side here is where you load in data that you've maybe got in different Excel files. Just to mention here, statmethods.net and r-projects.org are two great places to find tutorials. The only other thing to say is that when you read in data, for example, the CSV file here, you've got to put the location or the path to where you want to find the file. If you literally go to your computer and you maybe this is the data I want to load. If I right click here and I go copy address, and I come here to CNET and I paste it, and you paste it down here, you will see that these are all backslashes. In RStudio you have to have forward slashes, so you literally need to go and change that yourself, so I didn't want to forget about that. But for now, that's all I'm going to say about R. Seems to have some great capabilities.